To print with Canva, start by opening the design you wish to print. You have two options. The first is to print by saving it locally. To save the print locally and then print it, click on Share. After that, click on Download. Here, you can choose the size and file type you prefer, then click Download. Your design will now be downloaded as a PNG file to your computer, ready for printing. If you prefer to use Canva's printing services, navigate to Print with Canva. Since I'm printing a flyer, I'll select the flyer option. This action will open a new tab where your design is copied and resized for printing. In this new tab, you can choose the print options, such as selecting the front page. If you want to print the same design on a back page, you can do so by clicking on it and selecting the Page 1 option. Alternatively, if you prefer to leave it blank, you can choose to keep it blank. Next, select the paper type. Options include standard, premium, and deluxe paper. I'll go with standard paper. You can also choose the paper finish, such as matte, gloss, or uncoated finish, and specify the number of flyers you want. For this example, I'll select 25 flyers. After making your selections, you'll see the total price for printing. Click Continue to proceed. You can then add the items to your cart and complete the checkout process. I hope this helps resolve your printing needs. Thank you.